The Film Nagar police in Hyderabad have registered a criminal case against prominent film producer Daggubati Suresh Babu, his brother and actor Daggubati Venkatesh, and Suresh Babu's sons, actors Rana and Abhiram Daggubati, on charges of trespassing and criminal conspiracy. The case has been filed under sections 448 House Trespass, 452 House Trespass with Intent to Harm, 458 House Trespass at Night, and 120B Criminal Conspiracy of the Indian Penal Code. The complainant, a businessman, approached a court in Nampally after his initial complaints to the Film Nagar police and Hyderabad Commissioner of Police were ignored. The court ruled in his favor, prompting police to register the case on Saturday. The complainant stated that he had entered into a lease agreement with the accused in 2015 and had reportedly invested several crores of rupees in renovating the property and purchasing materials. Over time, he alleged that he signed multiple lease agreements with the Daggubati family. According to the complainant, trouble began when Suresh Babu and Venkatesh allegedly tried to evict him from the property before the lease expired. In 2018, the complainant obtained a status quo order from the court, which remained in effect till January 30, 2024. The complainant further claims that while he was in judicial custody for an unrelated case, officials from the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation attempted to demolish the property on November 13, 2022. The demolition was stopped when his family presented orders from the Telangana High Court. Later that same evening, the complainant alleges that the accused sent a group of 50 to 60 people to the property who removed doors, windows, and other fittings, stole several items, and caused significant damage to the structure. The complainant estimates his losses at approximately rupees 20 crore. The complainant further alleges that the accused, along with unidentified individuals, attempted to demolish the property on multiple occasions before completely demolishing the structure in January last year. Following the court's directive, police have now registered the case and begun their investigation. So far, neither Venkatesh nor any other family member has commented on the matter. Stay tuned to Shosha for all updates.